For my second lesson, I would like to teach a new Juntos and Open Campus coordinator how to locate a OSU box, how to log in, and how to use it to find files and documents that they would need to use in their position. So that's what I'll be doing in just a moment. I think the easiest way for someone to find the OSU box is just to Google it with the search. So you can type in Oregon State University box. The reason why we don't do OSU box is because it takes you to Ohio State University. So you click on this and it'll take you straight to this page and you want to sign in. So you're going to use your ONIT information to log into Box. Once you are in Box, you will see these files. These are files that we're sharing with everyone on the team in Open Campus. And I would say the most important one is this OOC handbook. The reason is because this is the most organized folder in our box. And then after that, if you are a Juntos program coordinator, this is the next most important folder, because here's where you're going to find a lot of the forms and documents that you'll be using in your work. So whenever you get to a meeting in which you're going to be sharing some of the protocols with school administrators, here's where you'll find a lot of that information. You'll find some of the reports for Juntos. You'll see our surveys and how we collect data for our programs, consent forms, sign-in sheets, you name it, it's in there. Another great feature I'd highly recommend is search. If you know a specific document, if you know the name for it, that's sometimes the quickest way to get to that file. Another thing that you should know is that within Box you can collaborate on documents. So for example, let me see if I can demonstrate here. Nope, that's not a good example. So if you open up a document like this, you can edit it directly from Box. You just have to open it. And this actually works a lot like Google Drive, where multiple people can actually be editing the same file at the same time. And it saves automatically, so that when you are finished, when you go back to Box, it's gonna be the same file. It's not gonna duplicate it. It's not gonna create a replacement or anything. It's just gonna create a version of that file with the most updated information, and that makes it a lot easier for us to collaborate because it's very friendly with the Microsoft Office programs, and that's what a lot of us are using at OSU. So I highly recommend making use of this, and if you are adding new folders and files, making sure that you share those files with the colleagues, and that you make good use of this, and that this become one of your go-tos whenever you need to find files for your work.